My overall experience with WamBam was excellent. From the time I talked with Chrissy on the phone until I put up the last panel, it was a very easy project, very easy to do. My experience with my designated project consultant was excellent. She was very knowledgeable in her material. She knew her business. All right, I told her exactly where I wanted my gate, the length of my walls were, and she set my project up so it went right together. Why did I choose the Steady Freddy fence? I didn't want anyone to be able to look through my fence. I wanted it totally blocked off for privacy. We have an in-ground pool and I wanted privacy. How long did it take me to complete my project? I put up 30 panels of fence and it took me 4 days to put it up, but you have to understand I had to take 30 panels of fence down, of wood, big fence. Would I recommend the gas pounder? Yes, I would. If you're going to sink more than one pole, I'd get the gas pounder. That probably saved me 50% of my time. What process is easier? I would recommend the no dig because you put the pole in 42 inches in the ground. This is my whole thing. With the digging, you got to dig a hole. You're going to lose your on center location. You got to backfill with 2 feet of concrete. With the pole, you get it on center, you drive it straight down and you're done. No concrete, no digging. I highly recommend this for any privacy fence anywhere. I recommend WamBam.